wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of stopping by, thank you, God bless you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you all are the best. I love you guys, I love you guys so much for always coming across this channel. Okay, and if it's the first time of coming across my channel, my name is Vivian Aris, the founder of Living Organic Skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be displaying to you guys this a very good face cream. Like, this face cream is so good. If you're this kind of person, you don't want to promise your face cream, you just need something to clear your face. You just need something to hydrate and moisturize and also nourish and lighten up your face, like natural way. I'm going to be showing you guys a product that is very good and that gives you that unique flawless face. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel, guys. So guys, I forget, I'll be doing my online class. Yes, our advanced promising class is going to start by 30th of this January. So if you are interested for that class, hit us up on the number you're seeing on the screen, guys. And the online class, my online class is going to be this one is going to be a group online class for those of you who find it difficult to enroll in the personal class. So, and it was so expensive, but this one is really affordable. This one is really affordable for the things that I have to give out for that class. Okay, just enroll in this online class to learn the secrets behind promising effectively, like skincare product. That's what, and believe me, that class is gonna it's like, seriously, if you're this kind of person, you are looking out to make a effective skincare products, guys, this class is your good to go. Believe me, it's not going to be time wasted at all. All right, yeah, so before further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Yeah, the product I'm talking about is this product. This is Disa products, guys. You guys know that I talk a whole lot about this product. This product is a very good product. Like, this product is a very good. Disa product is the boom, like, is the bay. It's a very good product, guys. This is very good. I have talked about the sunscreen in my channel, the way the sunscreen work. If you have not really watched that video, you can as well scroll down my previous video. You will see the sunscreen and what I talked about sunscreen. Okay, this product is very good. Yeah, this is the face cream. This is the face cream. When my supplier sent me this, gave me this product, I tried it on my own skin to know how good and effective it is on my face. Sorry, and believe me, guys, I love it. Like, I love it. I said I will share it with you guys, okay, how this face cream works, and show you guys this product that you can as well purchase in the market and use it. Okay, so this is it. This is how it is. These are beauty skin care vitamin C whitening cream, glow and moisture with berry glutathione and vitamin C. It also contains hyaluronic acid. It's also deep nourishment, improve your skin, repair your skin. Like, this is the truth. Look at it here. So if you can look at it there, you will see it there, over there. Okay, you can as well screenshot this face cream, but endeavor to get the original one. I don't know if you're seeing it very well. Yes, this cream is good. This cream is so good. This face cream is so good, and it contains very good ingredients. All right, it contains very good ingredients, and this face cream is formulated in France. Yes, this cream is rich with whitening ingredients and multiplied plant extracts to refresh without onliness, deeply nourish, improve and repair damaged skin. Guys, this cream is good. If you are this kind of person, you are having, your face is damaged, you are having, like, how will I say, is it Coke and Fanta face, or will I say, or all this, like, you have a problematic face, okay, use this cream, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. It mildly whitening, fix wrinkles, spots and scars, the acne scars in a safe and effective way, prevent pigmentations and minimize pores, like leaving the skin long lasting, bright. Okay, it also brings back elasticity and moisture to your face, guys. So this face cream is so lovely, and it contains good ingredients: tocopherol, mineral oil, glycerin, good, and it contains niacinamide, like this root extract. It contains very good properties. I don't know if you guys are seeing it very well. It also contains hyaluronic acid. It also contains allantoin. So this face cream is not going to irritate your skin. It's a vitamin C face cream. Okay, it's a vitamin C face cream. Guys, see, this cream is so good. When I mean this cream is so good, I mean this cream is so good. All right, when you get this cream, you use it. It's very good. If you're this kind of person, this cream doesn't really whiten, so like giving you sharp white. No, it does. Let me show you guys how it is inside. Okay, look at it. I don't really want to. And it also has a good packaging, like it's sealed. Okay, so when you're getting it, never to get the original one. Okay, so this is how it comes. It's a vitamin C. It's a vitamin C whitening cream, glow and moisture with a berry glutathione and vitamins. Yes, this cream is so lovely, guys. This cream is so lovely. It's very lovely cream that you can also give a try. Okay, if you are the kind of person that you just wants done. You know, some people do not find it so stressful promising their products or using different products on their skin, guys. Yes, if you're this kind of person that you don't like stress, you don't want to promise your cream, you just want to use your cream like that and go without giving yourself a headache, I will implore you to go on with this face cream. Though it's not cheap, yeah, but it's worth it. It's a very good cream. Like seriously, it's a very good cream. But it's not really so much. It's not much expensive. It's not, but it's not cheap like Gold and la creams. No, it's not like that, because this does a whole lot of work in your face, guys. It does a whole lot of work. It contains antioxidants that will help in taking off wrinkles, as acne scars and spots from your face, guys. It's so good. This face cream is so lovely. You can give it a try, right, and come back and give your reviews. And if you're in this channel, if you have used this face cream, yeah, if you have tried this face cream out, and you can as well drop your comments so you will see how your own comes out. Okay, because yes, the review I'm getting from this face cream is good, and I have to try this face cream. Like, I have tried this for 2 weeks. Right, I use it in the morning and the evening. It's so good. It doesn't select if you use it in the morning or at night. You use it in the morning. I tried using it in the morning. Okay, then my whitening face cream, I use it at night. Most time I also use this at night. Okay, and the period I tried it out, it was so lovely, guys. It was so lovely. You can as well give it a try. You can as well promise it. Yeah, you can promise this face cream. Maybe in my online class I might show you guys how you can promise this face cream to achieve a very good result. And also in that online class, I'm going to be giving you guys a tips, like now what am I using. Yes, this is the oil I'm using. This is my oil that I'm using. This is my talking oil that I'm using. This is what I'm using right now. I'm not using any cream. This is the oil I'm using. It's giving me flawless, like it's giving my skin a flawless glow. Like you need to try out this oil recipe. If you want to know how to make this oil, I can just give you guys like a tip. I'll give you guys this recipe, how I made this oil, in my online class. Okay, I will give you guys this oil recipe. how I made this oil in my online class. You can as well enroll in that class and be partakers for it. This is just like a extra bonus for that class, guys. This is just like without much like expensive or much ingredients, you will achieve this glue, like this talking oil. You use it without, I'm not using a cream. You can testify. In my previous video that I just uploaded 2 weeks ago, I started using this oil since 2 weeks now. 2 weeks now, I'm using it with this my soap. Just use this oil with the soap. This is the soap I'm using, my fruit monato soap. This is the soap I'm using right now, and this oil. And you guys will testify now. Just look at you will testify to it. It's not matter of talking too much. You testify from my last 2 videos that I dropped with this one now. You know that there is a difference, guys. Yeah, if you want to know how to make this oil, enroll in that online class, and believe me, I'm going to give you this recipe for extra bonus. It's going to be extra bonus for that class. Use it and go and make your cool cash. So guys, this is basically for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share my video, and also turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. See you guys, that's my next video. Love you guys.